Guys, I cannot leave my house. I'm trapped in my house. So yeah, because it has been snowing. There's like 10 feet of snow outside. So guys, I can't leave, so hopefully I survive. Maybe I will survive, who knows? I mean, all I got for now is a TV. My Samsung Smart TV. Guys, I'll see you in a bit. Guys, when I said there's like 10 feet of snow, look. See, I can't drive anywhere, I can't go anywhere. Guys, look, it's blowing. It hurts when it gets you in the eye. This window. Yeah, guys, weather must suck outside because snow looks deep. I mean, and the Wi-Fi is terrible right now, but yeah. There's a polar vortex and the wind sucks right now. It's been a long night. Been out here since 2 a.m. Oh, that poor weatherman. I need a new job. I don't get paid enough to do this. I'm a weatherman. Why did I want to do this job? I don't know, why did he? Well, wonder where he went. Hey, there he is. Guys, I said it's gonna be done in 20 years from now, so I guess I'm gonna be inside for a long time. Maybe I'll have a beard by then. Folks, I've been told that there is a winter storm warning, and this weather sucks. There's a polar vortex, and the wind sucks right now. It's been a long night. Been out here since 2 a.m. last night. I need a new job. I don't get paid enough to do this. I'm a weatherman. Why did I want to do this job? Guys, this was a skit, but yeah, as always, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, turn post notifications on. Yeah, guys, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.